Okay, good morning, everybody. Today is Tuesday, January 27th, 2026. You're in the live trading room. Welcome, everybody. Hope you had a good afternoon and evening yesterday. Let's let Larry in. And hope you were warm wherever you are, or wherever you are. Hope you were nicely warm. Here's yesterday's chart, and let me get a drawing tool out here. Um, it was basically all swing high in the morning on up and took most of our trades, but we did have two trades, that initial put trade, um, which reversed on us, and then we doubled down on it, and it never really came back. I got out of it about 11:20 on this dip down. Got out of both of those trades. Then ended up taking two more call trades in the afternoon and managed to get plus 11 out of it. Not a great deal, but just enough to get positive. And the Q closed at 625.77, and it is sitting at 628.97 right now. So we do have a gap play. And let's see, the gap fill and trigger is going to be 627.62. And 627.62 be the gap fill and trigger. So I'll make a note of that. Let's move forward. Bring this down. Bring that up. Okay, let's get over to the option chain. We have 1.137 million traded in pre-market volume, which is not bad. Pretty good volume. Let me get to the 27th. I'm on the 26th. Let's get to the 27th here. Just tentatively, we'll start at the 628 on the call side and 631 on the put side, but we'll see once we get this pre-market volume in where the strikes will be. Okay, I think with that, I'm going to pass it over to Mr. Keith Frampton. Good morning, Keith.
Good morning, Tim. Good morning, everybody. Yeah, chilly morning up here in Maryland today. Um, Gonna get colder later in the week too. Let me see. This morning we had the ADP employment change numbers came out a little bit less than last report. Um, we had the Red Book Index come out a little bit better year over year from the last report. Housing price index numbers came out a little better than anticipated, and then the Case-Shiller home price indices came out a little better than anticipated. We will have a consumer confidence report coming out at 10, as well as a Richmond Fed manufacturing index at 10. 5-year bond auction at 1 o'clock today. Big thing is FOMC minutes or the meeting tomorrow with rate decision at 2 o'clock, followed by press conference at 2:30. Not expecting any index changes there. And have a number of uh, fourth quarter reports coming out here Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday this week. Some biggies coming out. So keep an eye on that. Definitely don't want to be anything overnight on any of these. And I'll be trading today's expiration along with Tim.
Okay, very good. Thank you, sir.
Yep.
And we're coming up on 5 seconds. There's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And there's the bell. We are in. Let's see what the markets are doing. The broader indices. There we go. They're in. Dow is down 317. Nas is up 129. S&P is up 15. So mixed broader indices for sure. course, big volume the first minute, that pre-market volume uh, based into the option chain. So I will be at the 627 on the call side, 630 on the put side. We got price coming down a little bit. Price rising a bit. Yeah, price trying to break out on the top side. We're in the third minute. Everything, of course, over 100,000 right now. At 2,470,000 traded on the underlying. Got price coming down a bit now. It's passed through VWAP. Price was pushing down, but you can see that long bottom wick. A lot of upward pressure on pricing. Both of our MACDs are in the put bias position.
I'm gonna put a pseudo supply zone at the top of that first 5 minute candle.
Okay. Turn this red. So
Getting down close to fill the gap.
sure is. All right, let's keep an eye on the 629 on the put side. 629 strike put.
I'm gonna go ahead and try to enter that.
Yeah, let's go ahead and jump into this. Let us both get in at the same time. Got in at 207.
212 for me.
Dow's down by 352. Let's get some nice push down going here. All right, stand by to take some profit. Come on down.
I got 10 cents on that.
You got 10 cents?
Yep.
Okay. All right, I just got 5 cents on that. All right, prices reversed pretty dramatically here.
I'm watching the 626 on the call.
All right.
I'm going to try to get in on this here.
All right. 626, stand by. Let's go ahead
Just
and get in.
pass me by.
I got in at 294.
Same here.
All right, stand by to take profit. I'm going to take profit here.
I did two. Got out at 343.
Wow, I just got out at 320. Should have waited just a little bit longer on that.
It was getting close to VWAP, so I didn't want to wait too long on that.
Yeah.
We did have a 1 minute MACD crossed over going up, and 5 minute MACDs flattened out.
Got Dow down by 339, Nas up by 108, S&P up by 13. I'm going to go back over to the 630 on the put side. Currently getting pushed up right now.
You're getting some long wicks on the bottom.
Yep, sure are. And we're at a position on our MACDs anyway.
And we can put a demand zone in there too,
Mm.
right at yesterday's high.
There we go. Price trying to push through the supply zone or pseudo supply zone. Price is bouncing between VWAP and the pseudo supply zone. Come on, break out to the top side. I'm going to keep an eye on the 627 on the call side. Stand by on this 627.
Let me go ahead and try to get in on
Yeah,
this.
let's go ahead and try to get in this.
Pass me by.
Nope, I just got in 726, 7, excuse me, 276. That's what I'm trying to say.
295 for me on that.
All right, stand by to take profit. I'm going to go ahead and take some profit here. There we go. Got out at 327, 376 to 327.
Out at 342.
All right. So 27, 37. Even 51 for me on that one.
52 on me on that. Three trades up $1.11.
Yeah, and I'm up 84, 85.
Why can't we do this every day?
Well, we do mostly.
Yeah, we do. We do. I've just been getting in too late on these, so I've been trying to jump in a little earlier today.
Yeah. Nice breakout we've got going here.
Yeah.
Get some charts in view here. Price still rising.
Yeah, why'd you make me get out so early?
Yeah. Okay, we got 3 minutes till the pop.
Yeah, again, no announcements at 10 today, but doesn't mean there won't be a pop.
Hmm. Pretty good volume.
Actually, I'm sorry, there are. There are two announcements. There are consumer confidence and the Richmond Fed Manufacturing Index.
Ah,
Yeah, I thought there were some, but yeah, right. Yeah, it had some good volume each of the minutes, up
hmm.
over 7 million underlying traded. 1 minute MACD starting to flatten out though.
Yeah. Got Dow is still down by 373. Nasdaq's up by 190. S&P's up by 26. Got less than a minute till the pop.
There's the pop.
All right. Price is just kind of stuck in consolidation right now. Maybe breaking out right now. Let's see.
Like to see that 1 minute MACD reset a little bit more before I get into another call.
Now, what the heck that was?
I don't know. I don't think it came from me.
No, it came from me from another computer, from my other computer. Loud and clear.
1 minute MACD's trying to come down to crossover, but
Mm-hmm.
5 minutes still up pretty strong.
Yes, it is.
Well, they had a couple 1 minute candles below 100,000 this morning,
Mm-hmm.
almost 8 million underlying traded so far.
Price dropping pretty well here.
That way.
I've gotten burned on a couple of these puts lately, so I'm not anxious to get into it.
Yep. Watching the 628 on the call side.
Yeah, me too.
I'll try to get in on this.
All right, let's go ahead and get in.
296.
There we go. I got in 286. Stand by to take some profit here. I'm going to go ahead and take some profit here.
Yep, I did too. I got out at 326, 30 cents.
I get out. Same thing here. Good call on that call.
Yeah, yeah. We are just now getting a crossover on the 1 minute MACD, but we were up at it at today's high, so I felt let's go ahead and take profit.
Yeah, absolutely. Wow, Dow is now down 454. Nasdaq's up 198. Money is pouring out of the Dow and into the Nasdaq.
Well, hopefully you all have been able to get in on some good trades here this morning with us.
Yeah, absolutely. Excuse me 1 minute. Be right back.
As earlier, I'd like to see the 1 minute MACD reset some more before looking for another call. 1 minute or 5 minute MACD is still going up, but starting to curl over a little bit. And really don't have a true supply zone yet,
No, no, we don't.
but I'm getting close to maybe moving one here if this hangs on. You were asking yesterday, and I never got around to answering how much snow we got. Well, we got, I don't know, maybe between 12 and 15 inches before probably 15 inches before the rain, sleet started coming in.
No.
And I'd cleared my driveway twice, but there was about an inch left when all the sleet started coming in. So now I'm still trying to chip away at that ice.
Oh boy.
Got about a little over half of it done. But it was down in the single digits last night. It's supposed to be down close to zero here Thursday and Friday.
Wow. Yeah,
Yeah, that's really cold for here.
yeah, yeah. Yeah, it's only 23 here, which is pretty darn cold for us. It was like 14 overnight. We really lucked out. We didn't have really too much. We had some icing happen, but it was gone relatively soon.
And
Um,
no power loss.
no power loss,
Oh, great.
no tree losses. So I think we skirted just just enough south. All
Yeah.
right, we
It
can go
was,
ahead and put in that supply zone.
Yeah.
we just barely missed it too, Tim. Greenville, South Carolina got hit pretty good.
Did they?
Yep.
Kathy, did you lose power down in Texas?
No, we knock on wood have lucked out so far.
Good, good.
How about you?
Nope, didn't lose power up here.
Oh, good.
Just in consolidation again, small body candles. Did have a doji in the middle of it, a little bit of a reversal there, but price is just kind of trading in small range. Got a further reset or getting a further reset on our 1 minute MACD. 5 minute MACD is curling over a bit.
Mark's being a real cutie. He said it's a chilly 65 in San Diego.
Yeah.
I'm going out to California in a couple weeks, Northern California, going up to San Jose, Monterey, and
Oh, okay.
for a few days up there. Going to meet my sister-in-law out there and do the aquarium and Big Sur.
Oh,
Very nice.
nice. Yeah.
That's area I grew up in.
Yeah, and
Oh, wow.
she'd never been there, and we talked about doing that for about a year and a half, and finally gonna bite the bullet and do it.
Nice. You'll love it.
Yeah, I enjoy that area. You do.
Price starting to break up here a little bit. See if it can get free of the supply zone or if it's going to go right back down into consolidation.
It's been pretty flat for the last 10, 12 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
And close to a doji on that last candle.
Mm-hmm.
By the way, just Tim, I was noticing this morning when I first logged on to Thinkorswim, which was probably a half hour before, well, it's probably 8:45. My charts were running behind,
Oh, word.
and they finally, but by the time things opened up, they're back on time again. So I wonder if it just takes a while to get caught up and everything.
Yeah.
Normally, I log in quite early anyway.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was running about 12 minutes or 12 to 15 seconds behind.
Wow. How long did it take for him to get caught up?
I don't know because I went out and was chipping ice for about a half hour and then came back and noticed that they were on time.
Ah,
So no more than a half hour.
yeah.
We do have 10.2 million underlying traded, but it's been definitely getting some lower volume candles in here in the last 8 minutes or so.
Yeah. So we just wait.
Yep. Yeah, I'm in no hurry here. I have had 4 trades up $1.41 this morning, so
Nice.
good
I'm up,
morning so far.
yeah, I'm up 4 trades, buck 13, I think. I'll take that.
You betcha. Coming down, but again, I'm not real excited about taking a put.
No. No, Dow is down 474. Wow.
Had a nice crowd again here today, Tim.
Yeah. Yeah. Everyone has shown up today, which is very nice. Actually, only one person is missing. Price still pressing down a little bit. Active line on our 1 minute MACD is back, almost back to center line. Got our 5 minute MACD pointing down. But not going to take a put. This put direction can't quite get the feet under it. Back into some consolidation here. Ping. What is that?
I just sent you a text. I don't know if that was that.
Pretty sure it's Tim's Swiss bank accounts being drained.
Yeah, by the U.S. government.
Who else?
Yeah, exactly. Price reversing back up. Got a nice angle on the 1 minute MACD. All right, we are 1 hour in. We got just a little over 11 million traded on the underlying. Dow is down 500 now. NASDAQ is up 197. S&P is up 22.
Watching this 629 on the call side, but until it gets above the supply zone and the high of the day, I'm not looking to get in yet.
Yeah, I would agree.
Got close to a doji on that last Heikenase candle also.
Mm-hmm.
One minute MACD's trying to cross over, going back up. By the way, I was incorrect. I'm not up $1.41 today. I'm up $1.36.
Okay. Wow. That's
Well,
just
that
horrible.
was almost cheating.
I
Yeah,
knew it.
that's
Yeah,
just horrible.
yeah.
I knew you were lying.
I know. I wrote one of my numbers down. I mistook a 7 for a or a 2 for a 7.
That'll
So it's
do it.
off by 5 cents.
Well, at least you fessed up.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Well, price is slowly rising, negotiating with the supply zone. See if it can get through. Keeping an eye on the 629 on the call side. There's a new high.
Yeah.
And I'd be tempted to get into a call here, but we're at the top of the range here, right at a new high. And I just don't want to give anything back.
Yeah, same here, Tim. Same here. I thought about it and said no, no, no.
Yeah.
That 5 minute never reset today.
Hmm. Not really. No, never did.
It's still high in the range there.
You don't have to do it right now, but before we get off, can you help me get back into the 5 minute MACD? Mine disappeared.
Sure.
Thanks.
And while you're doing that, I would like for you to show me how to change the color of the MACD lines. I can't seem to find the place to do that.
Oh,
Whenever,
let's see here.
not while you're trading furiously.
Right.
Yeah, just right click right click on the MACD and then select edit. Then you can do the colors there.
Yep. You see that, Larry?
Well, I've got edit. Oh, there's the color
Yeah.
down at the bottom. Well, that's
Then
too easy. Could you think of something a little harder?
That then the average gives you the what are we call the control line.
Yeah. I just want to, I've got, when the blue line is in the greens of on the center line,
Yep.
the MACD, I have a hard time seeing it sometimes
Yep.
until it breaks out of there.
Yep. It is hard to see when it's in the green.
So I thought maybe I'd change it to something. I don't know. Trying to mess around with it and see, but at least I know where it is now. Now that the geniuses in the room have told me everything.
Yeah.
So thank you
No,
very
no,
much.
no charge.
Thank you very greatly.
By the way, just a reminder for everybody, occasionally you should save your chart, your setup section in case something happens, like you lose it, you lose a chart or settings are whacked up. You can always go back then and reload the current setup or the last saved setup.
Yes. That's good advice.
Good reminder.
Yes, it's save workspace as you do.
Well, while we're waiting for something to happen, Kathy, to get that MACD back, and just go under studies. Let me get my drawing tool here. Go under studies right here and go to edit studies and just come over to the search bar over here and just type in MACD, MACD. That'll bring up MACD. And just add selected. And then make sure you hit apply. And that will do it.
You'll have to set up the numbers the same. So you click on
Thank you.
the MACD to make sure your numbers are the same. So
Yeah.
this Tim's showing there. If you click on that, then it brings up another window with the numbers. There you go.
Show. And so up here, I say up here, you don't know what I'm speaking about. Up here are the numbers 626.9.
How did you get to that last one?
Okay, let me go back. Edit studies. So there's a little gear
Oh, yeah.
on the very right side. If you click on the gear, that will bring up um, the inputs for the fast, slow, and MACD length.
And the other thing, if you're just new to this, also the MACD, your MACDs may look a little different than ours, even though the settings are the same. That's because they will look different whether you do the only the open market hours or all, what pre-market hours, whatever, too.
Yeah,
It will
extended hours.
extended. You want extended because it will look different if you don't do the extended.
Yeah.
How do you tell it you want extended?
Go to
Go under the gear and was it options?
Okay.
Yeah, show extended hours. So if you go under the gear right here, click on the gear, go to options, and then the axis, show extended hour trading.
Huh. Okay. We need to do that on both MACDs. If you do it,
Yes,
yeah.
On both of the charts, yeah.
yes.
Okay. Okay. Very fine.
So we got price slowly rising. Call trade would have worked out here. Could still work out. Got our MACDs are pointed up, but it's our 1 minute MACD is flattening out and pointing down now. So wouldn't get into a call trade right this second.
Yep. Hey, Tim, I think I'm gonna log off early today. Don't want to give anything back, and I got some ice in the driveway that I got to chip away at. So,
Well, that sounds like fun.
oh, I'd much rather be trading.
All right, buddy.
All right.
Sounds
Have a
good.
good day, everybody.
Don't hurt yourself, Keith.
No, try not to. A little
Yeah,
bit at a time.
rather chip away at ice and trade with us. I don't know.
That ice chipping does not miss being like work by very much.
Yeah, seems an awful lot like work.
Well, and I mean, as a real practical matter, people who are not used to doing stuff like that get out there like that once you get a couple of years of age on you and just jump up and have a heart attack out there in the driveway because you're not used to doing that kind of work.
Yeah, really.
Used to be used to it, and maybe now you're not.
Yep. Well,
Yeah,
I know I wouldn't be.
yeah. I don't want to be.
I am up in that age group.
Yeah, tell me about it.
And there are, a few teenagers on the block who are looking to make some extra dollars here and there. So,
They're getting harder and harder to find.
yeah. Yeah.
I have to pay young guys that are in their 20s and pay them like $100 an hour for a couple of them to come over.
Wow.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but I've weighed it, thought about it carefully, and decided that's better than a heart attack.
Yeah.
I had to think about it.
They're in a heart attack. And the other thing I don't do anymore is climb ladders.
Oh, I still do that. It's not real smart. I'll give you that.
Yeah.
And tall ones particularly. And the roof on your house, I wouldn't get up on that roof if I was 20 years old.
Yeah. Yeah.
Nope, not for me.
Okay, Tim, I'm stuck. When I try and go, so I get into studies and edit studies,
Mm-hmm.
and then I go to the center there where it's price, volume, lower, lower.
Let's see.
I just get one lower. If that makes any sense.
I'm not sure where you are. You're
So I went to edit studies.
to edit studies.
Yeah.
Okay.
And in kind of in the middle, it's got listed in vertical price, volume, lower.
and vertical price volume lower. Oh, wait a second. Hold on a second. You mean right? You see my screen, of course.
Oh, yeah.
Do you mean here in this area?
No, go to the right of that. There,
Okay.
not there. Right in the middle. Right.
Oh,
Yeah,
oh,
there.
price volume lower. Okay.
Yeah.
Lower, lower. Okay. What's the issue?
So you just type in MACD there, or you have to
No.
go to the
You type
gear.
in MACD up in the search column
Oh,
up here.
okay. Up there, and then you'll go, once you enter that, you go to the gear and type in the
Uh,
numbers.
yeah, once you type that in, you choose that MACD and then import over,
Okay.
and then you can choose the gear once it shows up in your lower.
Okay. Got it.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Got price falling off here a little bit. Dow is just down 400 now. Interesting. Nasdaq's up 214. S&P's up 32. Huh. Wonder what's caused the Nasdaq to drop so dramatically. Hey guys, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. It's like prices come down in the supply zone, maybe bouncing off of that. Yeah, we're going into some consolidation here again. Well, guys, I think we're going to go ahead and wrap up here just a few minutes early. We just have 2.5 minutes left, so we're going to go ahead and wrap it since we're in consolidation here, getting lower than 100,000 minutes. So this is probably a good time to close up for today. Now, tomorrow, Wednesday, we've got the Fed announcement that we will come back for. So there'll be 2 sessions tomorrow. We'll come back a few minutes before 2 o'clock and try to trade the Fed announcement and press conference that comes after that. See if we can get some good trades in. But other than that, we'll go ahead and call it. 4 trades up, what did I say, 113, I think. That's where I ended up. Anyway, good morning. Hope you all had a good morning as well. I'll leave charts up for a while, and we'll talk to you all tomorrow morning. Try to stay warm wherever you are and have a blessed day. Talk to you soon.
Thanks again, Tim.
You are so welcome.